Welcome back, everybody. I'm down here in Granbury, Texas. We're on the Blackstone Griddle More Tour. Today we're going to make chicken street tacos. They're a specialty of the Griddle More Tour. We make them every year. It's a great way to feed a massive crowd and to have a lot of fun. I take a lot of shortcuts on the Griddle More Tour because we're cooking in Walmart parking lots. I'm cooking with avocado oil, and I have well over 15 pounds of pre-portioned chicken here. It's in Ziploc bags, and it just makes it easy to drop the food out onto the griddle top while I'm entertaining the crowd. Now, if you're cooking this recipe at home, maybe you have a small family, you might need to be cranked down to medium heat, so adjust your griddle temperature accordingly. I'm going to season the chicken with plenty of Blackstone's Tequila Lime seasoning, and if you have larger pieces of chicken, I'll just use that large Signature Series spatula sideways, almost like a hatchet, chopping up and shredding the chicken as I go. Since street tacos are small, you'll want to get smaller pieces, even shredded pieces of chicken. I'll pull the chicken and pile it up in a disposable aluminum serving tray along with red enchilada sauce. The enchilada sauce also comes in green, but I like the red for this recipe. Mix the chicken with the enchilada sauce and allow it to start simmering. Soon that red enchilada sauce will permeate the chicken and you'll be sitting pretty. Now it's time to clean the messy griddle top with a scraper, wipe all those chicken crumbs off, and re-oil my griddle top. I like to use the smaller street taco flour tortillas like these ones from Mission. Best thing about them is they also double as the world's only edible frisbee. If you come out and visit me on the tour, you can see if you have what it takes to catch one of my flying frisbees. I do like to use plenty of oil when toasting the tortillas. It's not necessary, but it's going to give you better color and flavor. The meat's been simmering away and I've stockpiled plenty of tortillas. My main man, Raul, takes the meat inside the food trailer because it's taco time. We're gonna do 2 at a time, 2 street tacos, 2 flour tortillas, a nice scoop of the red chili chicken, diced raw onion, and fresh chopped cilantro. Oh, I've got to have that cilantro. The toppings can make or break your street tacos, so don't skimp. Cotija, or your favorite Mexican crumbling cheese, Crema, Mexican table cream, and you know I've got to top mine with the Cholula Chili Garlic sauce. Take a look at that. I simply call them chicken street tacos because I've made thousands of these from the Blackstone tour trailer over the years, from California to Texas and from Florida to New York. It's one of my favorite ways to cook a massive amount of food and feed a large crowd. This is also one of my favorite recipes for entertaining. I was a percussionist and a drummer back in the day, so I love to break out the Latin and world percussion on this one. I've got a set of concert maracas that really cut through the PA system, a set of go-go bells that I absolutely love to play, and even a cowbell hooked up to a standard bass drum pedal. I might be griddling, but I can also get immersed in the music, and it's nice to trade the spatulas for drumsticks during the slower parts of the recipe as I'm waiting for chicken to cook or tortillas to toast. So make as many tacos and have as much fun as you can. Thanks for watching. I'll get this recipe up at blackstoneproducts.com, and make sure you're watching all the shows on the Blackstone Network because we have a lot of them. And until next time, this is Todd from the Griddle More Tour in hot and steamy Texas. Praise the Lord, pass the tacos.